There is a controversy surrounding the launch of Galaxy S24. Several media and YouTubers, including myself, already have these devices and are starting to do some testing. And the vast majority agree that the camera doesn't seem to be up to par with expectations. However, through X, other users started testing with devices that were available in Samsung stores and seemed to have better results. Then, the conclusion was that several of the devices that we are given to the media or YouTubers to test did not have the software finalized. That's why Max Jambor from the All About Samsung site has made an exclusive statement noting that tomorrow, Tuesday, this series is going to receive its first major update with which they intend to completely improve the camera experience. So, if you have already seen a comparison or a review where they show examples of the photos that this device is capable of taking, possibly even better photos can be taken after the update. Personally, I already did the unboxing of this device and compared it with the Galaxy S23 Ultra in a very brief and quick way, and in most pictures I like the result of the last generation better. I would hope that with this update will really improve the performance of the new generation because it is totally necessary. But here the strange thing is that Samsung does not give the devices with the final software, knowing that it is giving it to media and YouTubers that obviously we will want to do immediate testing. So, will we have to wait for this update? I was about to record the Galaxy S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max comparison, but I'm going to wait for this update so that it's the best that Samsung has to offer versus the best that Apple has to offer. Let me know what you think of this strategy taken by Samsung. It's something that has happened every year. Samsung releases its devices without the camera software being fully polished and then slowly rolls out more updates so that in the end, after about 6 months, the camera works beautifully.